Alright guys, we're back at it again. We are over here at IronGate. It is a car guy's Disneyland.
Yep.
Alright?
If I'm excited, that's why.
Yeah. Eric's like a fat kid in a candy store.
Oh, even better.
But I worked last night, I'm extremely tired, so not sponsored by Bang, but I'm chugging them. But everybody enjoy the show. It's like everywhere you turn, just car heaven. Look at this, NSX, GR1, another NSX. Audi R8. Alright, you guys got to see this garage.
Mopar heaven.
Mopar heaven. The two Daytonas. Couple of road runners. Challenger. Look at this. Car heaven. Now, for people who already know me, my favorite car, my dream car is the 69 Dodge Charger. I want to get one so bad. That's my dream car. I'm classy. And here you go. Look at this. And I really love the Plymouth Roadrunners. The way that they're done up really nice. Yeah, beautiful cars.
Gone in 60 seconds.
Yes, he will. Ah! Love that one.
Dad joke.
Look at this garage.
Yeah. Oh, I know, it's so sad.
40.
I told my mom, when I met you,
Sean, we finally got to get in this garage.
Yes.
This is the one I've been waiting to get in. This is my favorite garage here. Finally get to get in it.
I already told everybody, leave in the comments below, which one is your dream car? Which one would you take out of all
man.
dream garage?
And look, I know the supercars and hypercars get our attention, but there's an actual Shelby Cobra.
Yeah.
Legit.
Convertible Hemi Cuda. 426 SRT in it. This thing is so nice and clean. Why can't we bring back the American Muscle from back in the day? We got a couple of road runners. Grand National specs.
Not one, but two.
Now, this is what we're looking. This is what we love over here.
Thank you, sir.
And a Challenger back there.
Ooh.
Yeah, look at this. Hard top. Look at this. I love the Grand Nationals.
Yeah.
And then the Road Runners, especially with the way they did on Fast and Furious with the burnt orange. Really love those. But two of them. Welcome to the music of my people.
What a beautiful spec, Senna. My gosh. Sean, you gotta check out this McLaren Senna. I've not seen this spec before, and pointed out something weird about it. It's missing the glass.
Yeah.
I've not seen that. It's missing the glass.
You probably would have, from the manufacturer, you could probably get a spec like that.
Yep. But they are just immaculate. I know. If you can't see, I don't know if you can see it, but we have carbon with a roof scoop.
Look at what we ran into. BMW V8.
Look, they could put that guy's F40 up there.
This is so nice.
Isn't that crazy? It's probably not that guy.
No.
Definitely don't see those very often.
No, you don't. It's not a super, guys. Calm down.
Oh, there's the special red door. That's the one Stratman was talking about.
The Aventador SV.
Yep, that red.
Yep.
What color, right?
It's like a chameleon color. Chicago Motor Cars. Got another Aventador back there. Got RX-7 right over there. You guys see the RX-7?
Slant nose. Porsche. Nice.
Yep.
Here we go. A one of one color Lamborghini Mercy.
Guys, another video from IronGate. We actually get to talk to a couple old friends.
Yeah.
And got in their garage to check out the F40 and the GT3 RS that we actually went on a track in. But next time,
man, I can't. I can't get over it. Getting to go behind the scenes and being up close to some of these cars is just amazing. Big shout out to our Uncle Phil. You know who you are.
Yep. Until next week, stay humble. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. And have a fun weekend.